In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create trance music inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to Create button over here and go from Simple to Custom. Then from here, you need to choose in the instrumental if you don't want any lyrics on your song, and you need to go down to Style. Then from here, you need to write in your prompts. And if you don't already have a couple prompts, I have a bunch of them linked down in the description below, and I'll also show you step by step how to use Suno AI. So let's create this prompt. So we want it to be some trance music. We want it to have a trance ambient bass. We need it to be chord progressionist. We need it to be atmospheric. We need it to have some snappy bass. We need it to be 4x4, and we need the BPM to be about 125 beats per minute. Then from here, you need to go down to click Create, and then Suno AI will create or generate two versions of this prompt. And we can take a listen to how it sounds like when it's done. Alright, and the next one. And if you don't like any of these versions, you can go over to your styles again and change some of the prompts and try to create these beats again. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!